Tokomaru Bay is a small regional town, approximately 90 kilometers north of Gisborne. The existing concrete wharf at Tokomaru Bay was built in 1940 for the sheep and livestock trade, and it is now deteriorating due to the harsh coastal environment that it is situated in. The problem faced by the wharf is that the steel reinforcing bar inside the piles is corroding, causing the concrete to crack and dislodge itself. The aim is to investigate the bonding between steel or stainless steel rebar reinforcing and the surrounding concrete. Comparing the results of traditional steel and stainless steel reinforced beams in a bending test. Self-compacting concrete cylinders are being made to test the strength of a concrete mixture that is easy to work with on site. 100 by 100 millimeter beams with a length of 1 meter will be constructed using both traditional and stainless steel reinforcing bars, using varying methods of increasing the bond strength, such as using smooth bars, ribbed bars, and hooks. All concrete samples that will be made are to be cured in a bath of water. After 7 and 28 days of curing, concrete cylinders are compression tested to derive strength value for the concrete before being used to form the beams. This ensures that the concrete meets the design parameters outlined by Worley's report to restore the Tokomaru Bay structure. The beams will be placed into the bending rigs seen on the right-hand side, where a 4-point bending test will be performed. A hydraulic ram is used to apply the force, and a load cell will be used to measure this force. Although beam tests have not been conducted yet, it is predicted that the stainless steel rebar will provide a similar bond strength to that of traditional steel. If this prediction proves to be correct, then stainless steel will become a viable option or alternative that can better withstand the harsh coastal environments thanks to its natural corrosion resistance.